Hindi, guys, kaya natin to. God bless. Anong kinain mo, guys? Ang sarap na kinain ko today. Jollibee Spicy Chicken. Nakapag Jollibee Spicy Chicken bang lahat? Spicy-licious! Kasi ang cute kanina, nag-attend ako ng Benyaga sa Ninang nga. Tapos, birthday din nung inaanak ko. Tapos yung birthday sa Jollibee, so ang saya, ang sarap lahat kinain ko. Spicy chicken, spaghetti, fries, sundae, kanin. Sarap. Okay, letter B. Sa letrang B. Nakabahan ako. Kaya natin to, guys. Kaya natin to. Start na. Ito na. So, dapat malaki-laki yung minion. So, dito sana yung minion ko. Sa gilid. Or madami akong minion ito-drawing. Isang katutak na minion. Oh my gosh, pa. Okay, letter B. Oh my God, guys. Ito na. Ah! Oh my God. Ito na nga. Oh my God. Sa letrang... Wala din akong ruler. I have nothing. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why. Wala na, nagkamali na. Okay. Ay, nabura. In fairness, nabura. Okay naman. Hindi, guys. Matatapos tayo, promise. Sa 23 na to gagamitin. Hindi ako pwedeng... Kailangan ko itong tapusin kasi bukas manonood ako ng concert ni Ate Angeline. Okay, natapos ko na yung letrang B. Sa letrang... Ay, hindi pala. Sabi ko natapos ko na isang line pa lang. Okay, letter... B. Woo! That's an ugly B. What an ugly B. Hold on. Letrang B. Asan na yun? May kodigo ko dito eh. Sa letrang B. Andy Abaya. Andy. Ang pangit pala ng letter B ko. Pwede na to. Sige, mapagtsatsagaan na to. Mukha naman siyang B. That is an ugly B. B. Ay, parang pangit. Dapat mas mataba pa. Panoorin nyo lang ako ditong magpanik, mahirapan. Guys, nagawa na natin yung letter B. B. Ang pangit. Okay na po, sige. Parang malaki yung space so I can lagyan ko ng space per letter. Ang ganda. Niloko nyo ko. Pero tama, okay na to. Oo. Okay, letter A. Next letter. Shucks. Mali. Okay lang. Kaya ko to. My God, the things we do for love. Ang pangit. Parang chararat yung letter A ko. Hindi ganito yon. Okay, kunyari, masyadong magkakalayo naman yung ginawa ko. Hindi na siya kakasya. Okay, guys. Pag nagka-time pa ako bumili ng isa pang illustration board, huwag kayo mag-expect. Pag nagka-time lang ako, ano kaya magandang ilagay kung gagawin ko yung BGY? Hindi ko maisip kung ano ilalagay. Nanonood ako, si Andy tsaka si Direk Ivan. Kami manonood together. Support namin ng mga frenemies. Okay, letter A. Once more. Ano ba? Ba't hindi ako makasulat ng letter A? Ang pangit. Diba, black pentel pen ko naman to. So, ano lang to? Markings. Pinawisan ako. Do you hate Isabel? No, I love her. Wow. Sino kasama kong manood? Ang kasama kong manood ng All-Star Games, si Andy Abaya and si Direk Ivan. Support talaga kami for Rans and Drain. And support din ni Direk si Aki. Siya magbibit-bit. Hi guys, nagawa ko ni letter A. I'm so proud. Are you excited for PBB? Of course naman. Okay, letter N na tayo guys. In fairness, we're moving really fast. Whoa. Damit mo bakit? Ang problema sa damit ko, walang kita. Nakabotones yan. Wala kayo makikita, promise. Promises. Okay, letter N. Yay! Nakapag-letter N na rin ako. Guys, ang galing. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Wow. Si Jazz maglalaro din ng volleyball. Ba? It's the thought that counts. That's true. That's true naman. That's true. Bananas. Okay, letter S na lang. Yay! Nasulat ko na yung bananas in pajamas. Okay. Ba't kasi ngayon ko pa naisipang magganito kung kailan dumidilim na ang langit? Saan ka? I'm just at home. Can we see? Okay, but it's ugly because again, gaganda na pa siya. So these are the bananas. Bananas. Can you see? B-A-N again? Yes. Wala lang. Okay na yun. Tignan na natin to. Tip lang naman to eh. Okay naman. Di ba? Not bad naman. I mean, could have been worse. Let's open the lights. Open? Binuksan? No, let's turn on the lights. Yun yung tama. Mali ang let's open. Hindi para buklatin ang ilaw. For the window. Okay. Ay, dahil may ilaw, mas nakikita ko yung pangit na ginawa ko. Ang galing. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. And then, tapusin ko ng letterings and then the minion and then I will go in with my marker and do all of this. Bananas for number Hi Blush! Hi Blush! Hi! Ay sus naman! Hi Baba! Letter F. Dyan. Or we're gonna do R. Then, ano ang kanyang jersey? Jersey number. Jersey number. Runs. Alexa, idol ka ni Mama. Thank you. Pakisabi naman sa imong Mama. Thank you. Miss. Ay, mali. 22. For hashtag 22. Should I make it tuloy-tuloy here and then big minion here or 4 number dito na lang sa baba? Hi! Kanina pa ba to? Slight lang, medj. So, paano mag-drawing ng hashtag? Show me how you hashtag. Like this? Ay, mali. Hindi ganyan mag-drawing ng hashtag. And then, Does not look like a hashtag to me. Tapos may butas. May butas dito. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Then 22. Good luck sa sasayaw sa Monday. Good luck. Please invite Jello or Aki. Guys, hindi ba kayo masaya kung ako lang nandito? Bakit kailangan may kasama lagi? Bakit laging naghahanap ng wala? Am I not enough? Wow. Okay, ang pangit ng numbering ko. Yung lettering ko, pwede-pwede yung numbering, chararat. Okay guys, nagawa ko na yung bananas for hashtag number 22. Not bad. Not bad, but not good. You know? Ay, shucks. Malalobat na yung phone ko. Ano? In fairness, bilis na. Diba? Bara-bara kasi. Okay, ngayon mag-drawing tayo ng minion. Pupunta tayo ng Pinterest. At hahanap tayo ng minion. Minion drawing. Minion drawing. Ay, hindi ba drawing ng minion hinahanap ko? Minion lang. Oh, Papoy. Ah, cute! Ang cute! Cute. Okay, magdadrawing akong minion. Sobrang cute! Oh. Si Kevin. Okay, so ano ba itsura ng minion? So, saan ako mag-umpisa? Sa ulo, sa katawan? So, kunyari, eto ang ulo. May buhok na 4. Papangitan ko lang muna to. At ipe-pentel pen ko nga. And then, meron kasi goggles sa mata. Dapat pala nilakihan ko pa yung circle. Maganda rin pag may kulay. Feeling ko din naman. Farm, mukha namang minion parang. What you doing? I am making a sign for my friends to use when I cheer for them sa All-Star Games. I realize it is so hard to draw a circle. I should have used something to, Miss Camila, sasabihin mo na si Abby. Yes. Just you wait, guys. Chill. I'm going. Hey, not bad. This kind of looks like a minion, sort of. That's kind of vibey. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the damit. diet mo. You know guys, I've been trying the recent, yung viral na Korean eggs, yung tinatawag nilang Ozempic eggs. Although I've only been doing it for a couple of days pa lang. But in fairness, it's okay Kasi you're supposed to eat 2 hard-boiled eggs on an empty stomach on first meal. 2 hard-boiled eggs with olive oil and pepper, salt and pepper. Okay naman siya. Siguro mauumay ka lang after a couple days kasi itlog na naman. Pero me, I love eggs, so hindi ako magko-complain. Guys, malapit na matapos yung minion ko. I'm so proud. Okay. And then then I'm gonna put lots of bananas as the background for this illustration work. But walang case phone mo? Meron po. May case siya, the transparent one. Hindi ko kayang hindi mag-case sa phone kasi lagi ko siya nababagsak. Okay, now nahihirapan ako sa kamay. Okay. Gosh. Naka-glove ang minion. Whew, one arm down. So pretty. Thank you. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with my minion, guys. Wait lang. Hindi po ako kaliwete. Naka-flip lang. I'm a righty. Guys, I'm almost done with my minion. Please. It's so cute. It's coming together better and faster than I expected. Ay, I spoke too soon. Ang pangit yung kabila. Dapat mas manipis. Okay, paa na lang. Paa na lang ng minion. Papakita ko na sa inyo ang paa ng minion ko. Wait. Ang hirap din pa naman pa. Okay, so ang itsura ng minion mataba ang dito. May shadow. Okay. And then oh my god, you aren't gonna believe my minions. Minion number 1 is done. I repeat, minion. Yee! Medyo parang duling lang yung minion ko, pero okay lang. It's cute, right? It's cute. Hey, minion number 1 isn't so bad. Minion number 1 looks kind of nice. I'm proud of minion number 1. You think kasha pa another minion here? I'll draw 2 minions and then a bunch of bananas all over. It's kind of cute, right? It's kind of cute. Because there's space pa here so I want to put another one. I'm so happy. But my phone is gonna die. My phone is gonna die. Papoy. Yes. My phone is gonna die na. So, at least you saw my minion. My 1 minion. Tatapusin ko na to. But I will end the live with it. So cute. Hindi kasi pwede mag-charge dito sa tripod na to eh. Like, I can't charge while using it. Yeah, I cannot. So, we have no choice. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna draw another minion. I need to look for a picture of another minion. Ay, minion ka. Kasha kaya? Okay, yun lang guys. I think I'm gonna try to go with this for the other minion, but I'm not sure yet. Minion. I'm looking for other kinds of minions. Mga nakasmile. Ganon. Or maybe something like this. I'm not sure. Pero sisave ko na yun lahat. How's the experience working with Kathleen? Oh, I love it. I love it. Tsaka alam niyo ba, when I was doing Someone Someday kasabay ng Your Face. And then, umabot siya sa, yung isang taping, saktong birthday ko. So, hindi ko yun makakalimutan kasi kinantahan pa nila ako ng happy birthday, ganyan. May cake pot. Yun yung scene na sinusuntok ni Catherine si Ate Maha. So, ang bigat. Pero ang saya. It was so fun. Ilang araw lang ako dun eh, pero it was fun. So, ayun lang guys. I'm gonna go na din. I'm gonna continue my drawing. Mamatay na din tong phone ko. So, ayun. I'm excited. Makikita nyo naman sa Sunday kung anong kalabasan nitong science na ginagawa ko. After this, I'm gonna make another one naman for Rain. For Rain. So, ayun. Bye! Bye, guys! Thank you for joining. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Ito mabingi na nga.